This is Sensor Studio with the Cloud of Sorrow, bringing quick updates on the Middle East war. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard has announced that it has launched its 77th airstrike targeting Israel and US military bases in the Middle East. This is Tehran. In Tehran, a building has been completely destroyed due to intensive airstrikes by the Israeli military. This is Erbil, Iraq. An Iranian drone crashed about 70 kilometers from Erbil, and it has been confirmed that the location is under the Kurdistan regional government. The Iranian Foreign Ministry said they got a negotiation message from the United States, but no talks occurred. Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf, the Speaker of the Iranian Parliament, dismissed President Trump's remarks and stated that there were no negotiations with the United States. He also said that everyone supports the Supreme Leader, Mojtaba Khamenei. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard criticized President Trump as a deceptive American president and stated that because of his contradictory actions, they will not join the front lines. President Trump said in an interview with CNN that the Strait of Hormuz will be opened soon, and expressed his hope that the Strait of Hormuz will be placed under joint control of the United States and Iran. Prime Minister Keir Starmer of the United Kingdom said that we must prepare for the possibility that the Middle East war will continue for a considerable period of time, and warned that thinking the conflict will end quickly is a false sense of relief. Türkiye is stepping up its diplomatic efforts to end the Middle East war. According to the Foreign Ministry's phone call records, Foreign Minister Hakan Fidan has spoken with regional and global diplomatic leaders more than 12 times in the past 48 hours. If there is more news, I will make a video and upload it. This is the end of the video. Thank you.